In this video, we'll be learning more about shapes. Like triangle, which is consist of 3 points, okay, and the triangle is one kind of polynomial. Here it is another polynomial, okay. So, but here we have 4 sides. So, any closed area with a straight line having 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. Okay, so this is quadrilateral. This shape is known as quadrilateral. Okay, so in this quadrilateral you can see 4 lines we have used. Okay, so here in this quadrilateral I have given name to the points. So we have point J and we have point I. So J and I is connecting with the line, straight line. You can see this is the J and I straight line. Then similarly H is a point and H is a point and I is another point, and this I and H connected together with a line HI. So this line is known as HI. Now you can see the line, okay. GH line is here. We have given the H line name. So this is our quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral having 4 lines, clearly it is visible now, and we have 4 points, and also we have some angles. So let us see the angle. Now you can see we have in front of you some colorful angles: angle G, angle J, angle I, angle H. So we have 4 angles. So definitely the angle G, this angle, the opposite of angle G is opposite angle I. Okay, so green are opposite. Then this pink, the opposite of pink one is this orange one. So angle H is opposite of angle J. If I say the adjacent angles, so angle G is having adjacent angles, means angle that is near to G is, what is that angle? That angle is angle J. So angle J is just near to angle G. You can see here now, right? And in the right, in another side, we have angle H and G near to each other. You can see the angle G and angle I are opposite to each other, right? Just opposite of G, we have angle I. Now, here also, depending upon the angles, depending upon the how these lines are aligned, whether these lines are parallel to each other. Parallel lines, you know, when 2 lines are almost same, means it is not, these lines are not, parallel lines are opposite to each other, okay, like this, and it will never match, not match, and it will not intersect. It will just move parallelly, okay, like our railway tracks. It never uh, intersect, okay, but moves together, right? So here, depending upon the length, angle, we can give this polynomial or quadrilateral names. So let me make the angle first. So let me make this angle 90 degree. So it is coming to 90. First one, let me make it 90, almost 90. It is also almost 90. Let me make it. And one more thing, you can see the angles are adjusting itself. So the thing that most important part is here, it is just let me adjust this angle. So here I am trying to adjust this angles. So if you add these four angles, okay, if you add these four angles, then you will find that it is basically 360 degree. Okay, if you add the four angles, you will get 360 degree. Okay, so if I change the angle, one angle, the other angle will adjust itself to make the addition of four angles 360 degree. For triangle, it is 180 degree. For this, let me draw one line. So the quadrilateral is nothing but two separate triangles, right? You can see two separate triangles here. So one triangle is 180 degree, so another triangle is 180 degree. That's why the angles, for the four angles, if I add, then it will give me 360 degree. Okay, so when, let me adjust the lines, make it parallel. So here is my one shape. Okay, so what is this shape? This shape is known as my rectangle. So when it becomes rectangle, when you can see, when we have lines and the opposite lines are same length. So here this is my rectangle, and here this is one line, and the opposite of this line is this one, and these two lines are opposite to each other and also equal. And similarly here we have some other two pairs of line, you see. So these two lines are opposite to each other, and also these two lines are equal. And if you check, we have 490 degrees, 190, 290, second 90, and this is third 90, fourth 90, it is this, right? All the angles are 90 degree. So this type of shape is known as rectangle. Okay, these types of shapes are known as rectangle. Okay, now let us move and see other shapes. Here we have another shape, and what is the in this shape, if you see that all the angles again 90 degree. Okay, we have four angles and all the four angles are 90 degree, and all the lines are of equal size. All the lines are of equal size. So this type of shapes is known as square. This type of shapes are known as square. So here it is 90, all the angles are 90 degree. Okay, all the angles are 90 degree. These are known as square. This is another type of shapes and in this shape you will find that the opposite lines are same. Okay, here also the opposite lines are same. Now if I try to measure the angle, then you'll find that the opposite angles are same. Opposite angles are same. Okay, opposite angles, if you measure the angles with your protractor, then you will find the opposite angles are same. Okay, and opposite angles are same, but these are not 90 degree now. Okay, these are not 90 degree. So this type of shapes are known as parallelogram. Okay, so these types of shapes are known as parallelogram. In this parallelogram we have opposite sides are, these are the opposite sides. Okay, these opposite sides are same. This is another pair of opposite sides. These opposite sides are same, and the opposite angles are same. Okay, opposite angles are same. Here these yellow angles are same and pink angles are same. This is another types of shape. Now let us draw. In this shape, you can observe that again the angles are not 90 degree, but opposite angles are here also same. But if we compare this shape with parallelogram, all the sides are here same length. All the sides are having same length. Okay, so all the sides are having same length here. So this type of shapes where opposite angles are same, okay, and all the lines are same, having same length, is known as rhombus. Okay, so we have seen what is our parallelogram, what is rhombus, and also we have seen our rectangle, okay, where all the angles are 90 degree, opposite sides are same, and this is square where all the angles are same and all the sides are also same. This type of shape is a special kind of shape where one pair of opposite lines, one pair of these opposite lines are parallel to each other. One line is parallel to each other, right? Only one pair of opposite lines are parallel to each other. That you have to remember. Okay, and angles are not 90 degree, or it may not be 90 degree, but what you have to remember that opposite sides are parallel to each other. One pair, only one pair. Here this line and this the opposite line are not parallel to each other, right? So these types of shapes where only one pair of lines are parallel, okay, in this quadrilateral, uh, which is having pair of two opposite sides, right? So sides are uh, parallel, is known as trapezium. So this is a shape which is also known as trapezium. So please pause the video, or you can check the video and learn these shapes, and in the next video we'll learn more about shapes. We'll see the 3D shapes, and we'll learn more from this chapter. So keep watching the video. See you in the next video.